I'm not even making this up. You guys see the difference. Bro, this is so good. Like, I'm basically giving y'all the tea that no one else tells you, but y'all can thank me later. Hey Faves, it's your Face and I'm back with another video. Y'all are gonna like this video because it's basically my most requested video. How do you edit your Instagram pictures? How do you edit this? So I'm gonna tell you guys today. Before I even get straight into the video, there are a couple of things you guys need to know. Once you look at an Instagram page, you've noticed their aesthetic. So number one thing I want to talk about is aesthetic. I found some that I like. These are the few that I like. Number one that I have right here is, her name is Carmen. Her aesthetic is basically neutral colors, pastel. I really just said neutral colors. Pastel colors, the pink, the blue, the yellow, the green. She just loves pastel colors, as you can tell from her feed. That's her aesthetic. Now the next one is, I think it's Los Vasallo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but her aesthetic is neutral. The beige, white, the black, gray. She loves beige so much, as you can tell. Next is Monique. She loves yellow. She loves black and white. She loves basically yellow. Like, I don't really know what this aesthetic is, but it's very unique and I love it so much. And she's a photographer, I guess. And I love this one, Cahoota Mix. We follow each other on Instagram. She's so nice. Now her aesthetic is basically chocolate. Like, it's aesthetically pleasing. I love her page so much because of the aesthetic. And the thing about me is I follow people based on their aesthetic. Like, if I see that your page is just different, no matter what picture you post, if I see that it's aesthetically pleasing, I'm gonna follow you right away. Kylie, I'm just gonna call her Kylie. I love her aesthetic. Also, her aesthetic is I think this is, I don't know, it's mixed with pastel and neutral. It's aesthetically pleasing. Y'all can't even tell it's aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Once you see her page, you will just want to instantly follow her. Now the next one is different. This one is different. Now this is Ajoku. Now her aesthetic is just dark, it's beige, sage green, and we have me. Mine is neutral. It's mostly neutral colors that you will find on my page. My whole point in bringing all this up is to know your aesthetic, to know what you are going for. If you want to do the one I do, which is neutral, then this video is for you. But if you're looking for something like the ones I mentioned, then I don't know what to tell you because I honestly don't know how to edit like them. Please don't mind this too broken. Don't pay attention to it. Let's get straight into the video. I just wanted to clarify that before I start. Now, first of all, the app that you must download is Lightroom. This app is basically the one you will use the most. Also, Snapseed. You know, it's not really a must, but you know, just have it in case. I'm gonna move over a little bit so I deleted Lightroom by accident and all of my previous work were deleted. I don't know how that even happened, but yeah, I re-downloaded it. Everything is brand new, so I have to do everything all over again. That's why I'm making this video right now, so that you guys can see me do it also. So this is why I wrote everything down. Once you go on Lightroom, let me start screen recording. Once you go on Lightroom, you go to photos. That is the gallery thingy and the plus sign with it. Now you go to from camera roll. Now you can choose whatever picture you want. I already chose what I want to edit. Alright, so I'm gonna try to edit this one and show you guys later the before and after. Okay, so first, exposure. Now we're gonna go to exposure. That is in light. Exposure, you want to go to 0.50. The measurements is above the thingy, so 0.50. So I put it at 51, still close. Highlight, -72, -72. Shadows, which is +57, +57. But white is +45. I'm not really sure if this will give me the exact results that I'm looking for, but we'll see. If it doesn't, I'm going to make a few changes. I'm going to tell you if I did or if I didn't. But for now, we're going to stick with the book. For black is -24 or 25. Now we're going to go to temperature, which is in color, the one right next to it. Now temperature is +7. Tint is 6. Right now saturation is -8. Now let's go to colors. Go to mix. Mix is at the top right hand side. Now we're gonna start with red. The red hue is +22. Saturation is +40. +40. Luminance is -35. -35. Then we're gonna go with orange. The next one, hue is -8. -8. Saturation is 13 plus 13. Luminance is -18. Alright, now yellow, we're gonna move to yellow now. Yellow, I feel like is the most important because it just changes everything, and you're gonna see what I mean. You are gonna see what I mean right now. The hue is -65. -65. Saturation. Yellow saturation is the one you are going to use the most because look at the difference. Y'all see how it just changed everything. And when the saturation is in 100, do y'all see the difference? Yellow is basically the most powerful out of all the colors. Yellow, I'm going to put it to -87, not fully to -100. If you want it to be -100, might as well do it because it really doesn't matter. Luminance is +15, and you guys may be wondering what luminance is. Look. This is luminance. I don't think I'm gonna put it to +15 because I'm gonna put it to -30. Yeah, I think that's better because now you can actually see the bag. So luminance is -30. Alright, so moving on to green. Hue is +18. +18. Saturation is -25. Luminance is, I'm guessing with this one because I did not write for green here, but I'm gonna guess 61. I think that's good. For cyan, still don't know how to pronounce this word. Hue is, well, there's no hue to it. Like, I didn't write hue, but saturation is +51. I don't know if I'm moving too fast. I'm sorry if I'm moving too fast. Now saturation is +51 or 52. Luminance is +94 or 95. So we're moving on to blue. For hue is -33. Saturation, I'm going to do -51 or -49 because here it says +4. But if I put it to +4, the blue is gonna be oversaturated and it won't fit the picture. Luminance is gonna be -22. I think that's good. It says here that luminance is +97, which is a little bit too hot. Okay, so we're not gonna do that. You know what? 31 is good. -31. Now purple for hue is gonna be +12. Saturation is going to be +5 or +6. There's no purple here, so there's not really much difference with the purple. For pink, there's no pink also, but we're going to still do it. Now this one is the last color here. It's 4 for hue. Saturation +49 or 50. Luminance is -23. Alright, so that is that for the colors. Done. Now we're going to go to effects. I don't do texture, but we're going to do texture. Look at the difference when it's at -100 +100. You know, there's a lot of difference. It's gonna pop out and bring out your picture and make it better than without texture. Let's do +15. Alright, +15. Clarity is +25. Let's see clarity. Ooh, it's just like texture but different. Actually, let's do +20. Detail, I don't see detail. Oh, detail, if you want to sharpen your picture, this is not really necessary, but you know, maybe do +5. I honestly don't know the difference with the detail, but we're gonna do 57 for this. Now color noise red, I don't know what that is, but I mean color noise reduction, I wrote red. Color noise reduction, we're gonna do 3. Let's see what the, there's really, okay, I don't even know what this is, but I wrote 3, so we're gonna do 3. And that is basically, that is it. Alright, I didn't even know it was gonna be this fast. I'm going to change a little bit of something, and that is the white. Now let's go back to light. I feel like the color is good, but it's too bright. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't really like my pictures too bright. Now this part, we're going to reduce it to 25, -25. Way better than this. No, we're gonna reduce it to -25. What else do I want to do? Shadow, I'm going to reduce it also, +35. I don't know where it was before, but +35. Right, I think this is good. Y'all, do y'all see the difference? Do y'all see the difference? Like, y'all see the difference? I'm not even making this up. You guys see the difference. Bro, this is so good. Like, I'm I'm basically giving y'all the tea that no one else tells you, but y'all can thank me later. You guys can thank me later, okay? But we're not done. We're like 90% done. I know you guys don't want to be doing all these steps in every single picture you want to edit. So to make it really easy for you guys, let me just tell you guys what to do right now. Click on the check mark that's above on your right hand side. Now it's saved to your photos on Lightroom. It's not saved to your actual photos. Now go back to that picture. That same check mark is replaced with 3 dots, okay? Now click those dots and you're going to go to create presets. And you're going to name what you want to call this edit. We're going to say neutral and we're going to click the check mark. And boom, it's really that easy to create a preset. Now preset is basically what we just created. I don't really know how to explain what a preset is. Oh yeah, preset is basically what I showed you guys, the aesthetics. This is my presets, okay? This is the one I use for every of my pictures. It really depends on the picture. If the picture is too dark already, then obviously it's not going to be, you know, this same preset that I'm going to use. I'm going to change it up a little bit. Now you created the preset, save it to your camera roll. Now to save to your camera roll is really easy. Where those 3 dots are, you're going to not click there, but you're going to click the square with the arrow thingy, and you're going to export to camera roll and successfully export it to your camera roll. So that is basically that. Like I told you, we're like 90% done. The 10%, we're going to go to Snapseed now. Tap on the plus sign. So we're going to make this photo less dirty, alright? And what I mean by less dirty is this part of the picture, I don't like it. We're going to take that out. I like my pictures really neat. If the surrounding is dirty, I'm going to clean it up myself with my Snapseed. Now you're going to go to tools, it's on the bottom, and you're going to go to healing, zoom into your picture little by little. You're gonna just do this. Ooh. Alright, it's not working, but you're gonna just do that till everywhere is cleaned up. Oh, it turned out so bad. Like, it turned out so bad. It's not really giving me the look that I want, but you guys understand what I mean by doing that. If you want to take out something and you don't want it to be there, you just use healing. Now another thing you can use Snapseed for is to enlarge your pictures. Now if you go on Instagram, the boxes, Instagram has your size of pictures that they want you to post. Sometimes your pictures will be bigger. For instance, this is a perfect example. Now this picture right here, look, my face just cut off my face, half of my face basically. Now if I wanted this picture to be perfect and fit the box, that's where Snapseed comes in, and I'm going to tell you how to use it right now. Honestly, this picture is already perfect for Instagram. You know, there's not really much that needs to be done to the size, but I'm still going to tell you guys how to do it. Now you're going to go to tools and you're going to go to expand. Now expand lets you enlarge your picture. You're gonna do it little by little. Ooh, I messed up. I can go back. I still messed up. Oh my, like I said, this picture is already perfect, but you guys understand what I mean. I don't know why this one is not coming out good, but you guys understand what I mean by enlarging your picture to make it fit the box. That is another important part you guys need to know. If your pictures are all over the place, like this fits the box, this one doesn't, it just doesn't look organized. Now you want your page to look organized and aesthetically pleasing. Advices to make your pictures better. Now number 1 is the lighting, alright? So you want to make sure the lighting is bomb. Like, that's the first step in getting a really good photo. You want to make sure the lighting is good. If the sun is facing this way, you have to stand directly facing the sun.